Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. As you guys know, we made videos about 9gag's Potatoz NFT pre-sale. Now the results are out and the winners have been announced. You can check if you won from the links in the description box below. Also, 9gag announced you, the real MVP NFT owners, will get 2 Potatoz NFTs per 1 MVP NFT. 9gag's main project, Memeland, is still giving away whitelists, so make sure to join their Discord server and try to get a whitelist. 9gag's Memeland NFT collection might be one of the biggest collections of the 2022, so make sure to try your chance to get a whitelist. And also let us know in the comments if you won any Potatoz. You will find a wallet link in the comments. This is the screen you should see when you click on the link. And just check if you can see your wallet address on this list. Just copy the last 6 digits of your wallet, then hit Ctrl F and then paste it right here. The last 6 digits of your wallet. If you can see your wallet on this list, that means you've won. And congratulations if you won any Potatoz. As I said, let us know in the comments if you won any Potatoz. We weren't lucky enough to win, but hopefully all of our subscribers won. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. And also don't forget to check out our Instagram page because we share very motivational quotes, important information and breaking news about the crypto world and business world in general. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and to check out our Instagram. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.